Perez, and this is what would happen if planet Earth was twice the size. So there's a lot of things that could happen. This especially will mess up the entire evolutionary process that we have undergone so far. One of the big changes here is that the gravitational force of the planet increases with mass. So now your gravitational pull will be a lot stronger, and this has several consequences. If your gravitational pull is stronger, it means that our bodies will feel a lot heavier. So for one, our entire form of locomotion, our bodies, the way we move, everything will be different. So the human shape will be probably completely different. The second thing is that the flora and the fauna the trees would not be able to stand up under that kind of gravity. So the flora will be very close to the ground if we even had flora at all. So it probably would have changed evolution in a very drastic way, as this kind of changes this, the plant life in Earth has really shaped up life for humans, so if it would have been different, evolution would have changed entirely. Another thing is that our atmosphere would be different. So if you have an increased gravitational pull, you're able to retain gases for a lot longer, meaning that our atmosphere would have changed very drastically, and it probably we wouldn't have been alive at the time that we are now. So it probably would have taken a lot longer to get the right composition, if we even got the right composition, or we would have been completely different. The other thing is that we can also get a lot of internal heating. So if we have planet Earth and we have a lot more mass since we increased the size, we can keep the heat of the core trapped for longer, which means that we will have a lot of more volcanic activity and the continents will be changing a lot. So to summarize, the gravitational pull would be a really big problem. The atmosphere would be a problem in the terms that we don't know what composition we might have gotten if we were bigger and were able to collect a lot more gases. The plant life would have changed. And overall, we would have felt a lot heavier, so the ways of locomotion would have been different. So as you can see, even changing the size slightly in a planet can have really drastic measurements for how life can develop. So this is something that we look at a lot when we go to different planets and we're looking for life, is we know that it's not going to look like us because we know all the things that had to line up in order to make the human body as we know it. My name is Flora Perez, and I'm an astrophysicist, and this is what would happen if Earth was twice its size.